Hello and welcome back to German Brew. Today again a sodium Paston meth, but 24.75 liter. So 25 liter around. You see this nice big bucket. I already cleaned it, that's why it's a little bit wet. Hot water, I sanitize it with it, and yes, we have everything. And for this we need a lot of honey. This is the honey we use there. We have some, for the flavor, we have some pine honey. There. Some Greek pine honey. Some forest honey. Just 2 of them. So 2 kilo of flavoring honey and 7 kilo of this one. This is more neutral honey. Delicious, but not so much flavor. It's okay. We get flavor from the ingredients, from the herbs we put. We put sage, we put rosemary, we put Baileaves, and lemon zest. We put the zest of 3 lemon. I already prepared. And we cook it all together in this little pot. So, let's start. This looks good. Now we just need to cook it. Okay, in the time the pot is cooking with all our herbs, here's how I put it. We're starting with our honey. 9 kilo honey. Just put it inside. Later we need to clean the glasses. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7.5. Really nice dark color. And the pine. But this one I need to try first. I never had this. From Greek. Wow. Great flavor. I really need to buy more of this. Really nice flavor. I never had a pine honey before. This is per kilo 8 euro. The other one I get on sale. Okay. So, now inside are 5 liter of honey. That means in all the glasses I still have around 1 liter. What we need to do is to clean all the bottles. For this I will push put a little bit water already, so it's easier to make here. I fill all bottles with a little bit water, all glasses. By the way, this are the first 4 liter. I need to put 18 liter of water. So, in the time the water is filtered, and I need the second 4 liter, we're starting to check. And I try to mix this. So, we use electric mixer. Hopefully it's enough. I never mix so much honey and water. Okay, now we have 10 minutes. I already turned down the heat of the herbs. So 10 minutes until it's done. Then we will put the liquid here in our container and we will see how many liters we still have then. I almost forget we get bread yeast. For our brew, for our wine yeast, as nutrients. So I have here 7 packages. I hope it's enough. I put them here in the liquid so they cook and die. The soups look like this. For me, dead yeast works the best. For you, maybe you like to buy nutrients like this. So some nutrients. Here, Nutri-Mono it's called. Nutrients for the yeast. It came in all one package, so that's why I have it also. I buy it with a bucket. Also it came with this yeast. Also from Alcomat. We already use Alcomat. I don't have yeast from Gustava anymore. And I have this one. Today I will use just the table wine. I have a lot of it. Normally I just use 1 teaspoon, but this time I use 1 complete package because 1 package is for 25 liters. So we have now here our herbs mix. Okay, we still don't have 4 liters, so I will fill it up to 4 liters. Again, 4 liters. Why do you think 4 liters? Because it's easy to measure with a container. Again, some inside here. Some in our forest honey. And taking. So we are done with the honey. Put the last of the second 4 liters. So we have now 8 liter water and 9 kilo honey. So it's a lot. So it's really a lot. So I will mix it now and then we put more water. Okay, almost 25 liter. I just choose to put also 250 milliliter more. So we have now 25 liter. That's 27 kilo already in the bucket. I hope it's strong enough. Now we will change to the one point one 1.110. Yeah, 1.110. Okay, we have 1.110. You can see it here. It's a high gravity, but it's okay. We're using a 12% yeast. Of course, we will get out a little bit semi-sweet. I hope to get out sweet. The last time the yeast could handle a 13%, not only 12, because you know yeast can't read. So we have our yeast here. Just open it and put it inside. Okay, that's it. I will give the yeast a little bit shake. Okay, the yeast is mixed inside. Now we need to close it good. I have here some silicone. Now you can see some silicone to close the hole. And also it came with this airlock. Airlock inside. And like always, some sheet vodka. Perfect. It's done. 25 liter of mead. So, or better now, honey water. Okay, it's heavy, I'm sure. It is. Okay, it's heavy. We need to wait. And let's see what the yeast did. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe. Here are 2 more videos. You can see it's now here in the big box together with other brews. And I close it.